Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a really cool way to automate your delays. Let's hear this vocals we have.
You keep me in heaven as you close your eyes and speak to me.
Let's hear it after.
You keep me in heaven as you close your eyes and speak to me.
Let me show you how I've done this. I have a return track with EC300 from MCDSP. I've set one side to a quarter note and I've set the other side to an eighth note. My input and output are default. My feedback is at 10 o'clock and my wow and flutter is at 12 o'clock. I'm feeding that to a very simple pitch shifter. The pitch shifter, I've offset that about -10. I'm feeding that directly to UAD's pure plate. And finally, I have an LFO tool and I'm automating it using Max for Live LFO plugin. I've mapped one of my controls to the cutoff frequency and I've pushed my drive a little bit. My mix is set to max. All I had to do on the vocal track is just make sure that return track opens at the last bar. So let's hear it again before.
You keep me in heaven as you close your eyes and speak to me.
After.
You keep me in heaven as you close your eyes and speak to me.
Try it out and let me know what you think.
You keep me in heaven as you close your eyes and speak to me.